Hello student, welcome to Param Guru Pathshala, English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself Kratika Bhatia, Class 7. Subject is GK, Unit 1st. Topic covered, Fascinating Palace Explanations. First of all, we discuss about the word fascinating. Fascinating means is आकर्षक या मोहक. Palace means महल. Okay. What is the meaning of fascinating? Is to attract or interested somebody very much is called fascinating. Again, we repeat, to attract or interest somebody very much is called fascinating. What is the meaning of palace? Palace means is residence, especially royal residences. Okay. Now start the first palace. Its name is Neuschwanstein Castle. What is the name is? Neuschwanstein Castle. Is difficult, but try again. Neuschwanstein Castle. It was the inspiration for Disneyland. Its another name is Sleeping Beauty Castle. It was built by Louis II Bavaria. Whose build is Louis II Bavaria. Okay. Neuschwanstein Castle in German is called scholars. The Neuschwanstein actually means Neuschwanstein Castle. It is the Roman queen palace that was made in the 19th century by King Louis II of Bavaria. The palace is the Bavaria in southern Germany. Okay. Why is the Neuschwanstein Castle is so beautiful? Because it's important for several reasons. Despite its name and appearance, it was built in 19th century and the several no defense the purpose as was the reason. Many castles were built. It was built for one person, King Louis II of Bavaria. He was known as the fairy tale king because the castle. Okay. This is the castle. Inspiration of Disneyland. And its another name is Sleeping Beauty Castle. Next name is the Patola Palace. What is the name? The Patola Palace. It was greatest monumental structure in the Tibet. It is situated 130 meters above the Lhasa River Valley. Where it's situated in Lhasa River Valley. Patola Palace is the Dazang the fortress in the city of Lhasa in Tibet. It was the winter palace of the Dalai Lama's farm. 1649 to 1959 has been a museum since then and is a World Heritage Site since 1994. The palace is named after Mount Potalak, the mythical abode of the Bodhisattva Avalokitesaran. Okay. Why this is famous? Because it's the abode of the greatest leader of Tibetan Buddhism. The name is Dalai Lama and is therefore considered to be the holiest site of Buddhism region in Tibet. Also, there are statues of Buddhist gods and past Dalai Lamas in both white and red palace of Potala. So, their name is Potala Palace. Next is Mount Saint Michel. The name is Mount Saint Michel. It is a castle on a small land on the Norman coast, France. The small land of Norman coast, France. Why this famous? Because a magical land topped by the gravity defining Maldives monastery. The Mount Saint Michel counts among the France's most stunning sights. Again we repeat, a magical land topped by gravity defining Maldives monastery. The Mount Saint Michel counts among France's most stunning sights. For centuries, one of Europe's major pilgrimage, destination, the Holy Mount, is now the UNESCO World Heritage Site, as it is the Breathing Bay. Again repeat, UNESCO World Heritage Site as is the Breathing Bay. Okay, it's called Mount Saint Michel. Next is Matsumoto Castle. It is the one of the most fascinating castle in the world. It is located in Japan. Matsumoto Castle is one of the Japanese premier historical castle, along with Himji Castle and Kumoto Castle. The building is also known as the Crown Castle. Due to its black exterior, it was the seat of the Matsumoto domain. It was built in 1592. Matsumoto Castle is one of the 5 castles designed as national treasures of Japan and the oldest 5-tied 6-story castle. How many stories? It's a 6-story castle. Tower remaining in Japan. Construction began in 1592 of the elegant black and white structure with its 3 turns. Okay. How many stories? Is 6 story of the castle. Okay. What is the name? Is castle? It's Matsumoto Castle. Next is Lorneburg Castle. Lorneburg Castle is the largest brick Asian castle in the world. Okay, is the largest Asian castle in the world. Is one of the most beautiful castle in the world. The castle is located in Germany. It's called Town of Kassel in the Wildeshausen Mountain Park on the Bavaria Mountain, altitude to 92 meters above the sea level. How many meters? Is 92 meters above the sea level. Next is Malbork Castle. It's called Gothic Castle. It is the largest brick Gothic castle in the world. Malbork Castle is the largest brick Gothic castle in the world. What is the Gothic castle? Originally, Gothic refer to the style of architecture that was popular in the middle of Maldives times. It's called Middle Age. Okay, it was a style of architecture which was famed from grand arch building with sweeping windows. Many castles in Europe are Gothic, and Malbork Castle is an example of Gothic architecture. Okay, so this is the Malbork Castle, founded in 13th century by the Knights of the Teutonic Order. The town is noted for its Maldives Malbork Castle, built in the 13th century as the order of headquarters, which was also the seat of the early modern police provisions of Royal Persia. Okay. Next is some beautiful palace in India. It is okay. Which is the most beautiful palace in India? There are many beautiful palace in India. Now talk about the India. Okay. First one is Mysore Palace, Amba Vilas in India. It's located in Karnataka. Next, second, Taj Lake Palace of Jag Niwas, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Third is Ummid Bhawan Palace, Jodhpur, located in Rajasthan. Lakshmi Vilas Palace, Vadodara, located in Gujarat. Taj Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad, located in Telangana. And last is Hawa Mahal, Jaipur, located in Rajasthan. Now talk about the Ajanta Palace, Agartala, Tripura. Okay, it's a named by the Indian poet of Nobel Prize Literature Rabindranath Tagore, who was the frequent guest of the royal family of the erstwhile kingdom of Tripura. The Trouble Lake Fountain Ujjanta Palace lies in the heart of Agartala city, inspired by Roman, Mughal and British architecture. The Nicola Classical Palace was designed by Martin and Burn Co. under the supervisor. The Maharaja Radha Kishore Manikya, King of Tripura between 1899 and 1901. After the original palace of 1862 built by King Isan Chandra Manikya was razed to the ground and by the earthquake in 1997. Let's revise the next. Next is Hawa Mahal. Let's start the history. It's located in Rajasthan. Okay. It's situated at the edge of Jaipur City Palace. The Hawa Mahal or Palace of Breeze is another name is Palace of Breeze. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh in 1799. Okay, with the architectural capabilities of Lal Chand Ustad, who intelligently used the laws of physics and the design of a bean honeycomb to create this naturally air-conditioned marble. Okay, a blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture built specifically for the royal ladies. The palace, five-story pyramidal exterior shaped like a Lord Krishna crown, contain the 953 jharokhas or small windows that are improvised with the brilliantly carved, intricate the little work that cools the air coming in, making the toward the Rajasthan summer seems pleasant. It is so beautiful, na? Yes. Next is the Taj Falaknuma Palace, Rajasthan. Sorry, the Taj Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad, located in Telangana. The resting of on the top of the hillock in the city of Hyderabad, the scorpion-shaped Falaknuma Palace overlooks the famed charming Charminar, designed by British architect William Mart Merritt. Falaknuma was born from the frequent European travels of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad. The name is Nawab Vikar ul Umar, uncle to the sixth Nizam. Falaknuma, which means the mirror of the sky, is made of the Italian marbles with the stunning glass adorning the windows. Around 1897 to 1898, the sixth Nizam of the Hyderabad, Mir Muhammad Ali Khan, took ownership of Falaknuma. From 1911 onward, the palace was used to house royal guests such as King George V. Okay, and the Queen Mary Tasar Niskol II and India's first president Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, next we learn about the Lakshmi Vilas Mahal, Vadodara in Gujarat. We know about that. Okay, it is built in a Indo-Saracenic style by architecture Majors Charles Munt under the direction of Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III. Rules of the erstwhile Baroda state. In 1890, Lakshmi Vilas Palace is known to be the largest private residence to date, with the grounds spanning 500 acres. The gigantic structure makes the Buckingham Palace look like a draft. It was even equipped with modern elements such as the evolutors right from the construction stage, a rarity of the palace in those days. Is it so beautiful now? Yes, it's so beautiful. Next is Ummid Bhawan Palace, Jodhpur. It's located in Rajasthan. This design was amazing because British architecture Henry Wagon Launceston Ummid Bhawan Palace is the world's sixth largest private residency and the property of the royal family of Jodhpur, and it's built by so beautiful. The huge palace and was the name after the Maharaja Ummid Singh, who decided to build it as a means of compensation the employment to the poor farmers of the area who sought his refuge from an impending the famine. Completed in 1943, the palace architecture is the cocktail of Western Art Deco Indo-Ceramic features and Bexar arts. Next is Taj Lake Palace. This palace is so beautiful and its architecture is amazing because this city was Udaipur. The Taj Lake Palace, it's so beautiful. The natural thing is so brilliantly and belong to the destiny and the construction of the during the reign of Maharana Jagat Singh II between 1743 and 1746. Named Jag Nivas or Jag Nivas after the Maharana, the Orient Palace marbles walls are inland with the semi-precious stone and the fastonet with the ornaments niches. It's located in Lake Pichola in the city of Udaipur. Next is Mysore Palace or Ambavilas. It's Mysore and located in Karnataka. It's nicknamed the City of Palace. Mysore has 7 palaces, including the historical Ambavilas Palace or commonly called Mysore Palace. Okay, the official residences of the Vaidya dynasty in 1399 to 1950. The first Raja of Kingdom of Mysore, Yadurai, constructed the first palace in the 14th century. Following the several reconstruction, the present palace has been standing tall since 1912. Okay, how many palaces we are learn about that? Mysore Palace, Taj Lake Palace, Ummid Bhawan, Lakshmi Vilas Mahal, Taj Falaknuma Palace, Hawa Mahal and Ajanta Palace. Okay. Next is quiz time. Take the correct answer. It is the largest brick. First one is it is the largest brick Gothic castle in the world is Melbourne Castle. Second is which of the following is the largest Asian castle in the world is Lauenburg Castle. Third is a castle integrated in the cave in Slovenia is Prisma Castle. Okay. So let's revise again. Fascinating palace in the world are Neuschwanstein Castle. Its another name is Sleeping Beauty Castle. Okay. Second is Patola Palace. Is the greatest monumental structure. Is located in Tibet. Third is Mount Saint Michel. It is the smallest land castle. Okay. It's located in France. Mosumoto Castle is located in Japan. It is the most fascinating palace in the world. Next is Melbourne Castle is the largest brick Gothic castle in the world. And Lauenburg Castle is the largest Asian castle in the world. And some amazing fact is now Louvre Palace Paris is the largest royal palace in the world by area with the floor area of 2,10,000 square meters. This was the officially residence of the kings of France for 300 years. Do you know about that fact? The name of the palace is Louvre Palace, Paris. Okay? Activity. Do activity at home. List 4 palaces of India and describe each in a paragraph. Okay? And you must paste pictures also. Make your work colorfully. Okay.